Yeah. Yeah. He ran to the bathroom quick. He's like,
all right, man. Can you see?
Oh, yeah.
Stand over to the side.
You got it? You need a flashlight?
no, I got it.
Get me in here, bro.
Just. Oh shit!
Where? By your drum. On the inside of your side.
Right here.
No, bro.
Right here. It's on the outside of your side.
Right on the inside of his
I don't care where, just nowhere near my.
Dave, move. Dave, move.
Wait, let me get at you one. Oh, step over this so you can see.
I'm gonna get you right in here, all right?
Whatever.
All right?
Yeah.
I can't do that to him.
Right here, man.
Can't do that to him.
What are you trying to do to me?
He was gonna make lower leg.
What was he gonna do?
Lower leg.
You ready?
Dave, move.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I heard that.